Are you familiar with the power of an IRA in shaping your retirement future? Well, for today's video here at Wealth Wizards, we are here to guide you through the intricate world of individual retirement accounts, commonly known as IRAs. But wait, before you take the next step in optimizing your financial future with us, let's delve into some essential IRA insights. Firstly, let's explore the IRA landscape by distinguishing between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. The difference lies in the tax treatment. While both offer valuable retirement benefits, a traditional IRA allows you to defer taxes until retirement, whereas a Roth IRA enables you to invest with post-tax dollars and enjoy tax-free withdrawals during retirement. Now, here's a crucial consideration: the income requirements for contributing to a Roth IRA. To qualify, your modified adjusted gross income should be less than $153,000 for single tax filers or less than $228,000 for those married and filing jointly in 2023. It's essential to assess your income, especially when you're part of a household, to determine if you fall within the eligibility threshold for contributing to a Roth IRA. If you find yourself nearing these limits, it's time to reevaluate your contribution strategy and explore alternative avenues for your hard-earned money. Join us as we unravel the 7 costly mistakes that could be lurking in your IRA journey. But before we move forward, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. But other than that, let's begin. Mistake 1. You put off your yearly contribution. Let's take a closer look at a common oversight that can diminish the value of our individual retirement accounts, IRAs. We're here to make sure that you're not only managing your financial path, but optimizing it for the best outcomes, since, as the saying goes, timing is everything. The potential annual tax deduction on donations is a great perk of a traditional IRA. There's no denying the allure of a monetary benefit like this one. When filing your taxes, you can take advantage of the IRA's generous rule that lets you make IRA contributions up until April 15 of the following year. As an example, if you want to make an IRA contribution for the fiscal year 2023, you can do so between January 1, 2023 and April 15, 2024. This is the exciting part, and it highlights how crucial timing is. Putting off your contribution until next April to claim it on your 2023 taxes is like throwing money away. If you had invested that money a year ago, it would now be earning interest for you instead of sitting idle. Mistake 2. You assume one IRA is better than the other. Let's investigate the core of another myth that causes people to second-guess their IRA investments. We're here to help you make sense of the old argument between Roth and standard IRAs and make an informed decision that makes sense in light of your financial goals. Think about opening a Roth IRA and reaping the benefits of investing after tax income. This one-of-a-kind feature paves the way for tax-free distributions in your golden years. In contrast, a traditional IRA is funded with after-tax monies, so tax consequences arise only when you remove those investments. Let's take a step back and examine this choice in further depth. Even while a Roth IRA's tax-free withdrawals are an undeniable benefit, deciding between a traditional and Roth IRA is trickier than it seems at first glance. Both your existing tax situation and your anticipated tax rate forecasts should go into your final decision. Making these sorts of complex judgments calls for lots of reflection. Mistake 3. You forget about your spouse. Now, we'll take a closer look at a mistake that many people make while handling their IRAs. It's vital to keep in mind that your financial path has a far-reaching effects on your loved ones as well as yourself. In order to ensure that your financial planning is all-encompassing, let's dive into the techniques and tactics you may use to get the most out of your IRA as a pair. You should think about your non-working spouse's financial security even while you make regular contributions to your IRA from your hard-earned salary. This could be the case if the person were caring for someone disabled, attending school full-time, or simply didn't want to work. Regardless of the reason, a non-working spouse can still profit greatly from a spousal IRA supported by the net income of the working partner. Because of the tax benefits associated with IRA contributions, a spousal IRA is a great way to increase your family's retirement savings if your spouse is taking a sabbatical from their profession or has decided not to work at all. This benefit is still available to them. By including your spouse in your retirement planning and making educated choices concerning spousal IRAs, you can improve the financial stability and well-being of your entire family. Mistake 4. You don't consider having both types of IRAs. Let's take a look at another strategic option for your IRAs that you might be missing out on. When deciding between a Roth IRA and a standard IRA, you don't have to make a final decision if you're torn between the two. The financial path you're on is unlike everyone else's, and we respect that. Don't feel like you have to choose between contributing to your IRA and saving for other goals. Instead, think about how much you want to save each year and whether or not it would be wise to split your contributions, and if so, by how much. So why exactly is this a game changer? Well, diversifying your investments between a Roth IRA and a standard IRA can give you access to benefits you wouldn't have otherwise had. For instance, the ability to access your contributions from a Roth IRA tax-free in the event of an emergency gives you additional freedom. Let's figure out how to modify this strategy to fit your personal budgeting objectives. Mistake 5. You stop contributing at a certain age. The widespread belief that IRA contributions must be stopped after a certain age is not true. Though you may have given this some thought, you should know that the truth is far different. Anyone who earns taxable income can make contributions to a Roth IRA regardless of age. You can keep funding a standard IRA until you are 70 and a half. If you choose to work longer rather than retire early, or if you just want to save more money for retirement, this leeway could make all the difference. Mistake 6. You withdraw money too early. Let's talk about the most important part of your IRA, when and how to take money out. It's important to proceed with caution, but it's a frequent fallacy that your IRA funds are immediately accessible once you retire. Withdrawals from a traditional IRA are usually penalized if made before the account holder reaches the age of 59 and a half. You may also be required to have kept your Roth IRA for a minimum of 5 years, which is similar to the age requirements for a traditional IRA. If you have any doubts about whether or not you qualify, it is in your best interest to check with the IRS or a financial advisor before making any withdrawals. Mistake 7. You skip an IRA because you have other employer funds. Finally, let's clear up a common misunderstanding about retirement savings. Putting money down for retirement through a 401k plan at work, especially if your company matches your contributions, is a great move. It is important to note, however, that there is more than one sort of retirement account available to you. A diversified and balanced retirement portfolio might include both a 401k and an individual retirement account IRA. For what reason does this matter? You can adjust your portfolio's asset allocation to meet your own financial needs and preferences, and various retirement accounts each provide their own set of benefits. To wrap up this video, let's reflect on the crucial takeaways from our exploration into the world of IRAs and retirement planning. Whether you're on the brink of an early retirement or your target retirement date lies far ahead in the future, we want you to feel equipped and empowered for the journey ahead. So what's the bottom line? The key is to stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay proactive. Knowledge is power, and understanding the rules and regulations that govern your investments can make a significant difference in your financial future. Now, we have a question for you. What steps will you take today to secure a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. And remember, your financial journey is ongoing. It's essential to revisit your portfolio regularly, assess your risk tolerance, and rebalance your investments as you draw closer to your retirement date. This dynamic approach ensures that your financial strategy remains aligned with your evolving goals and circumstances. Thank you for joining us today, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see more of our content. This is Wealth Wizards. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.